Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Macan. The Porsche Macan is built for an intensive life in which the thirst for experience and thrills are ever present. It comes with a tremendously dynamic performance, luxurious interiors, and amazing safety features. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front performance. Come take a test drive today.